Hey everyone, Kyle here. Just wanted to address this comment and show you the method that I've been playing with. I'm still trying to optimize it, but this is what I have so far. And I'm going to make a more in-depth tutorial on how to make these specifically for social media. Right now I'm going to show you an example that I'm using for a regular YouTube video. So this comes from SAADU. Thank you so much. And this is specifically for, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, Jamel Santos. I'm going to send you this, and I hope this helps a lot of other people. So let's get into it. The basic process is that we are going to use Adobe's text captions like we did in the walkthrough tutorial. And then we're going to take those captions and link them to a text layer and nest it. So when you turn it into a nested sequence, you're able to use these Finzar presets. So let's go ahead and do that. So I made all of the changes to my captions already. I highlighted what words I wanted to. I changed the font size on certain parts of the video. So I like the way that they look, and I have what I needed highlighted. So I did all of that like we did in our first walkthrough in the Essential Graphics panel. If you can't get there, Window, Essential Graphics, and then it is under the Edit tab. So I'm going to click on a caption, and now I can have this dashboard of options. So from here, I made an empty text layer. That's what this pink timeline is, but this is what I did. I went ahead and just toggled the video. I pressed T, and that makes my little text prompt. And now I just clicked it, and that created a new text layer down here. So I stretched it across the entire timeline, and then I went in and cut to where each of my captions are. That's why all of these are cut up. So I'll get rid of that. So here's kind of how I've worked it. I'm highlighting all of my text layers, and I'm holding Alt on the keyboard, and if you're on Mac, it is Option, and then I'm going to drag it up. So I made a copy of those. And now that new copy, I'm going to nest it to my captions. So I'm going to highlight the new copy and the captions. So now I can right-click, nest the sequence, and now I have this whole long nested sequence that looks like one layer. So from here, the reason why I still have this empty text layer below it is because I'm going to go in here and make individual cuts. So I believe this is a step above of typing out each word, because Adobe already did that for us. Now we have to do a little bit of work to add the effects that we want to add. So I'm going to go in and cut up all of these nested sequences, because these are actually where the captions change in the video. So there's my with inbound leads, you follow up, how fast do. So I'm going to cut up because now I know where those captions are. So I can put my Finzar presets on these nested sequences. So there it is. So I can still add those. So SAADU, thank you so much. And yeah, I think that is the process so far, because with this nested sequence, you can also do like what we can do with the text layers, which is we can go in there, we can rotate it, we can move it up, we can make them bigger. We can still do those things, but we still have the benefit of having these Finzar presets. So let me know what you think. I'm still trying to optimize this for y'all, and I will see y'all very soon. Thank you so much.